Welcome back, everybody. So we're taking a break from the Griddle More tour, actually enjoying some summer fun here with the family at a church VBS picnic. So we're going to take a flashback this week. We're going back a couple of years to a recipe I made called s'mores pancake. What could be more fun for summer fun, camping, and having fun with your family? S'mores pancakes. I have my pancake batter, made this about 30-40 minutes ago. It's really good when you're making pancakes or crepes to let the batter sit for a while. And what are we gonna do to make these a s'more type of pancake? First thing we're gonna do is put in some cinnamon. How much cinnamon, guys?
Lots.
There we go, so there's some cinnamon. It's a big batch here, folks, so I'm not gonna tell you how much to use. You need to figure that out on your own. And some brown sugar.
I can add it for you.
Graham crackers. Let me cut these open, guys, and I'll let you guys pull them out. So when you're making s'mores, of course, graham cracker is like one of the #1 things that you can put in there. So here, why don't you, Natalie, why don't you break some of these up in there. Don't make them into like sand, but make them, you know, pretty good size, nice and chunky.
Okay.
There we go. Now a little smaller. You want to crunch those up a little bit. And let's see, one more dusting of the brown sugar, one more dusting of the cinnamon. This is what my s'mores batter looks like. Got over to the griddle and realized I forgot 2 key ingredients, of course, one being our small marshmallows. Of course, these are s'mores pancakes, so let's put some of those in there. We're gonna save the rest of these for the topping, but let's put enough in there so we know we have a s'mores theme going on. And my semi-sweet chocolate chips. All right, guys, save those for later. There we go. Now we're talking s'mores. I got so obsessed with the fact that I needed to have cinnamon in there and a little brown sugar that I forgot the chocolate and the marshmallows. I think that's enough to get it started. And now that's the s'mores batter that when I was mixing earlier, I thought, we're missing something. There we go. A little more like a Rocky Road ice cream consistency right there. Trial and error here today, folks. This could be good and it could be bad. We'll see what happens. Check out the first one. Yikes, we're ready to flip. We're ready to flip. Here we go. And wow! Here we go. This one's ready. The first ever successful flip, the first ever flip of a s'mores pancake here at our house. So we got a thick pancake here. We don't want the outside to get burned while the inside is still, you know, all wet. And pull those off. Of course, the pancakes are not done in the center yet. Pull them off like this, and you can set them aside over here, allowing the inside temperature of those pancakes to come on up. All the while, you're making more s'mores pancakes. You want to be really quick with pancakes, friends. The worst thing is to have a pancake that's like blackened on the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. Look at that right there. Okay. The 2 spatula technique works really good for this, because that way your pancake won't fall apart. These pancakes are continuing to cook, and now we can do the same thing with these s'mores pancakes right here. Wow, these are like the picture perfect. Look at that, quintessential pancake. Slide these over. So we have, of course, we're doing FIFO, first in, first out. Older, newest, and we'll get one more batch going over here. All right, here's our second stack right there. Some marshmallows on there, followed by some of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I myself would prefer to use dark chocolate, but I wanted to relate to a lot of you folks out there who like semi-sweet. Let's see, next we're gonna go with the dark chocolate sauce this way. The caramel, and again, you could probably use butterscotch to crisscross it like that. And at the end, I like to do my little mountains of graham cracker. I suppose if you wanted to, I suppose you could even sprinkle a little more extra cinnamon on there. And what did I do last time? That's right, I like to put a little bit of chocolate on my graham cracker mountains. Thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, this is Todd and his family. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the s'mores pancakes.